Let's go over the full cost of ownership for a 2002 Corvette C5. And for those of you who don't know, I got this car 10 years ago back in 2016, and I kept pretty meticulous records on repair and maintenance of the car. So I thought it'd be a cool idea to go over the cost of ownership of the car in the past 10 years. 2016, when I got the car, I did the left window motor, the plugs and wires, and I reupholstered the seats. 2017, the car definitely needs some work, so the starter, sway bar, did brakes and rotors and all that good stuff. So that was an expensive year, coming in at $2,250. 2018 was also pretty expensive. Did some body work, did the air dam, the thermostat, and new target top. 2019 was a good year. All I did was the air conditioning condenser, $600. 2020 was the start of my weather stripping saga, which I don't even want to talk about, but yeah, that got expensive. 2021 was valve cover gasket, plugs and wires, and new fuel pump, coming in at $1,350. 2022, I actually reupholstered the seats again, did the left window motor again, and did the alternators, so that year totaled $1,437. 2023, I actually did a new target top again, new tires, and some body work. This was my most expensive year of ownership, coming in at $3,363. 2024 is great, not a single repair. 2025, I did rear wheel bearings, and I also did tires again, some body work totaling at $1,930. And 2026, the year's not over yet, but I just changed the belt and I added new transmission fluid to the car. This brings us to a grand total of $19,740 over the course of 10 years of ownership. Now, no, this does not include car insurance or things like that. This is just basic maintenance and repairs. Also factored in oil changes. I do oil changes twice a year, and this car's went through a lot of batteries as well. And naturally, I'm sure I missed some repairs along the way. I'm going off of, what I had documented throughout the years. Still, this brings us to $1,968 per year, which you can tell your parents is only $164 per month, which in my opinion is a steal to own your dream car. For reference, I put 40,000 miles on this car over the past 10 years, and it now has 156,000 miles on it. I really do love my C5 Corvette. It's been an absolutely great car over the years, and I really do highly recommend it. Thank you guys for watching. Drop a follow if you liked the video.